Relax. Oh, there you go.
Yo! What the? What just cracked?
There you go.
Holy crap!
What's going on, guys? This is Dr. Donovan, and we've got a social media influencer. And what's your name on here? What's your handle?
That's so Maven.
That's so. Okay. So we're gonna get him adjusted today. And so what's going on with you? You got 10 shoulders.
10 shoulders, lower back pain. Pretty much my whole body hurts almost every day.
Okay, body party. And so we gotta get his whole body checked out. This is his first time. And so today we're gonna do an examination. You're gonna learn everything about yourself, the emotions.
What's wrong with me, guys?
Yeah, what is wrong with this guy? So let's have you have a straight arm out and then resist up right here. This up. Is that it? That's all you got?
Yeah.
Okay. Don't worry. And then thumb down right here. Resist up. Okay, I can tell it doesn't work. So don't worry, we're checking what's not working. Okay, resist up right here. Hard as you can. Okay.
Dude, if I
So don't worry, this has nothing to do with your strength. This is testing if your arms are stabilizing.
Sure.
And then thumb down right here. Resist up. It didn't work. Alright, don't worry about it.
Nothing works.
Okay, we gotta open you up. Okay, lay down. So we're gonna adjust your shoulders. And I'm just gonna lean on it. Deep breath. Let out. There you go.
Holy crap!
So that's your rib.
Okay, I've never felt that before.
Yeah, you're stuck. Okay, now we're gonna adjust this side. Deep breath. Out. There you go.
Holy crap!
Yeah, you need this bad.
Yeah, really did. Glad I'm here.
Resist up right here. It's way stronger now, right?
What the heck? Yo!
And then resist up right here. Yeah, it's definitely way stronger. Right here, it's up. Yeah, it's like super strength.
Dude, I feel like a new person.
And an adjustment. Okay, so I'm gonna explain what happened because everyone thinks it's magic.
Okay. Feels like it.
So this is your spine right here. You got your brain right here, you got your neck, your mid back, and your low back. So your brain actually heals your body through a spinal cord daily, and it pulses through these nerves to each muscle, organ, and tissue. But what happens is when you get older, you get bad posture and you look down a lot, so you start losing this natural curve. So your head goes forward like this, right? So this is putting tension on the spinal cord, and this is also tightening up your muscles that are attached into. So you get 10 shoulders.
Yeah.
Then you get this really tight back, right?
Yeah.
So all this stuff right here. So this is where you get your misalignments, spinal misalignments. So that then you tighten up. Then you get glued with scar tissue. So you get like stuck like this. So that scar tissue and that pressure actually decreases the nerve conduction back to the brain.
Okay.
So you heal slower. But this also causes abnormal muscle firing. So that's why this is a sign that something's not connecting well.
Okay.
So your body starts breaking down over time. So all I did was lean on your shoulder, because your ribs stabilize your shoulders, and you instantly got nerve power back to your muscles. That's why you instantly got more power.
Yeah.
So that's why when you're restricted, that's why you get lower energy. It could also increase anxiety, and you heal slower. So that's why we get your full body adjusted, so you heal faster.
For sure.
Also, you get your posture back.
Yeah. Dude, I'm about to go Super Saiyan. I'm about to go down.
I know, yeah, add special effects. Right, that scene. Just kidding. Okay, so we're gonna do another test.
I bet.
Straighten this out. Resist up right here. Hard as you can. Up. And I get to turn off your arm by just stimulating it. Notice? Hard as you can. See? That's good. It just turns off.
Guys.
So
This is weird.
and then we're gonna do a stress test. So you have a lot of pressure right here.
Yeah.
So this needs to get adjusted. But we're gonna. This is a stress test. So resist right here. Up. It's like the off switch.
Alright.
You notice?
Come on up.
So this, I'm stimulating your brain. That's why
Yeah.
this is going on. And the resist right here. Up. And it works again. So we're. So we're gonna use this to figure out what's going on in your whole body.
Okay. Trust.
Okay. So we're gonna adjust this. Okay.
I feel like I don't have legs.
Bring it out and turn it out. Okay, leave it up like that and resist up. So you know it's weak right there?
Oh my god, dude.
So that's your psoas. So we're gonna release this.
Okay.
What it does is when it gets too tight from sitting down too much from the past,
Yeah.
it turns off your butt and it drops your pelvis forward like this. So that's why there's a lot of pressure right here and this is tightening up.
Yeah.
So you get more gains if you release this too.
Ah!
Okay.
For the games! Holy crap!
Gotta release this.
Release me.
Oh my
God. Okay, bring this leg up. And just bring your leg up and down.
Oh
my God.
Holy crap!
I have to do this.
It's necessary. Health is wealth, people. Health is wealth. No pain, no gain.
Almost done. Okay. There we go. So bring this leg up. Turn it out. Okay, resist up right here. Way stronger now, right?
Yeah.
Okay, now we're gonna do the other side. I already know this side's stuck, so I'm just gonna put a stick in here.
Oh god.
Yeah, I'm putting this in there. Okay. Here we go. So just relax. I know this looks painful. Whoop, okay. Here we go. It's so tight, like.
Yeah.
This muscle is supposed to be deeper, actually.
Oh.
Okay, bring your leg up and down.
Oh my god.
Keep going. Up
Dude,
and
it's
down.
taking so much of my power not to curse right now.
Trying to make this into a PG video.
Don't want you to get demonetized. Oh god. Oh wow. This is lovely. First adjustment and this is what I get.
I know. Why do all the painful treatments?
Alright, Chris. Alright, let's go. Have a good one.
Yeah, this is actually
Give me
much
1
softer.
second.
This is gonna take some time, so I'm
Yeah.
gonna teach you how to do some of this homework at home so you can heal faster.
Cool.
Okay, so we're gonna have you go face down.
Alright.
All right, let's check this out.
Oh wow, my body does not feel like my body right now.
Feeling out of your body. Oh yeah, let's have you reach over here. Yeah, right there. All right. Oh, my God.
Yep.
Okay.
Solid stone.
Ready?
Yep.
Come on, man.
Okay. And I can feel that your pelvis is dropped forward when I press over here.
Whoever first, have a seat on the bench. Whoever second.
Okay.
You guys got the matching fits.
This is like where a lot of your pressure is.
Yep.
That's what's causing your head to go forward. So we gotta
Get it. My back's intense. Oh.
Yeah, we're gonna open it up first.
This is amazing.
And everyone loves this gun.
I can see why.
It's a chiropractic gun. Okay. So let's check this out. Deep breath right here. No. There you go. Wow, these are pretty deep.
Oh god, felt that in my gut.
So this is actually going to decrease over time.
Okay.
So this is actually the main source of what's causing your pain.
Okay.
Is because all the muscles are attached in there. So if this
Yeah.
is, because you have a little bump right here, right?
Yeah.
So we got to reduce that. So adjustment's going to put, it's going to rip up scar tissue and put fluid back into the joints.
15 plus, I don't know.
God.
Oh my god. Let's open this up. You guys can't see my face, but I'm in pain. Oh my god.
This is tighter than another one.
Heck yeah, brother. Oh.
There you go.
That was the one, brother.
Okay, now let's have you facing on the other side.
Guys, I'm telling you, it's worth it. Everything you see on social media is 10 times better in person.
Yeah, all the torture. I'm just kidding. Okay.
Two more. Try to relax a little bit.
Go face up.
I'm here for all of it.
Guys, just up right here. Hard as you can.
Yeah. And then let me line you up over here.
Right here, up. Yeah.
What the
So you notice that side's weaker, right?
Yeah.
So also another sign is that it's really tense right here. Do you feel anything right here?
Yes.
Yeah, you feel like a little bit achy. So these are a bunch of signs that your skull, your occiput, that's your skull, it's tilted like that. So that's why you have like that gangster lean in the photo.
Oh.
So we got to adjust it so over time you can adapt back in neutral.
Okay.
And your sleep will be way better because if you're like that in your photo,
Yeah.
that just shows it's going to be hard for you to sleep in your bed because your body can't adapt to the surface. And then we're going to give you an adjustment right there. Bring the shoulder down.
Okay. So this is like kind of.
There you go.
Holy crap!
Damn.
Dude! What the heck?
Whoa, you needed that bad.
I never knew my neck could crack like that. That's
So
crazy.
this one might even be. Is this painful?
A little bit of both, but it feels really. Oh, there we go.
Is it too much?
No, that's fine.
Okay, I know. It looks so tight. It seems like it needs it more work.
It's more so the cold sensation of metal on my skull. There we go.
So you can be actually sore from this. It's like working out with weights.
Cool.
Because we're breaking up the
It's
muscles.
almost too much.
Tickle machine. Let's go face up.
Well, I thought you had the other one.
God.
Never started.
Just kidding.
Dude, it feels like there's a fire in my muscles.
Tilt
Oh!
your head like that. Okay, here we go.
Breathe in. Breathe out.
You might actually be sore from this, so.
That's totally fine.
Breathe in now.
I'd rather be sore from this than my actual muscles and body and all my bones being out of place.
Yeah. Okay, now we're gonna do the other side.
Okay. You want me to expose that shoulder?
Yeah. Here we go.
And then you let the hips
Get you
fall.
exposed. That's what everyone wants. Just kidding.
I was gonna say something witty, but I can't even think of anything. Oh my god.
Whole audience here.
What's up? They can hear everything. I feel everything.
There's usually a girl in here that just screams way too loud.
Dude.
Put our blast on you.
You're just like, yeah, content.
Yeah. He's like, keep screaming.
I swear, this is the only other place where you can say something and out of context it would just be really weird, but in context right now, amazing.
Okay, so it's a little bit red.
Yeah.
Alright, so we're gonna give you, so you can put your shirt back on.
Don't make this job any harder than
Okay, so your head back like that.
Okay, ready?
Turn your head to the right more.
Good.
Okay, drop your shoulder down like this. And just keep dropping it down. Turn your head a little bit more to the right. Drop down more. Take a deep breath. Let it out. There you go. Wow.
I lost sight for a second, guys. Oh.
Did you feel that?
Yeah, I really did.
That was your skull right here.
I feel kind of lightheaded in front of you. Dang.
Yeah, sometimes you can feel lightheaded.
Wow.
So that causes like your head tilt,
Yeah.
gangster lean.
Yeah, just like that.
Nice.
Just staring into space right now. Okay, we're gonna do a muscle test for your, remember that balance test we did?
Yeah.
Look over here with your eyes, like just keep
Oh,
your head neutral,
sorry.
look over here with your eyes, and then resist over here as you can. Hard as you can. So it's much stronger now, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so as you start healing, you'll be like super strong each time.
I can start tutting again, guys.
Yeah.
Let's go all.
So every time you get adjusted, it increases your neurology, so you can function much better and heal faster. Cool. Okay.
Yeah, not bad.
And you don't have any jaw issues, do you?
You know what? I do.
Oh, you do?
Yeah, I forgot to mention that I do.
Okay.
Yeah.
Let's check that real quick then.
I,
So lay down face up,
Okay, so for this, I'm gonna have you,
face inside your mouth. So you ready for this?
oh, is this one? Oh, okay.
All right, here we go. Gotta get inside your mouth.
Oh my god. Dude, this feels like this is like the dentist but on steroids.
Yeah. I know the dentists come in here too for their jaw too. Okay, open your mouth. So hook your finger inside that part of your mouth. Yeah, perfect. Open your mouth.
you're all set.
Wow, you need this.
Oh, it got hurt. Oh.
So,
Yeah.
only do 2 weeks.
Okay.
Already doing 2 weeks?
Yeah.
Okay,
What was that?
Go and put your finger on that side.
Okay.
Here.
Open your mouth.
Yep. You're welcome. There you go.
Oh my god, dude! What the heck was that?
We gotta do one more time. We gotta do
Why'd I gag?
There you go.
Oh my! Holy crap! Has it ever happened?
Yeah, I did this a million times.
Holy crap, dude!
Yeah, people fly for this.
Oh wow!
Okay.
I'm crying.
Okay, don't worry. It happens. Okay, now open your mouth.
Speed. And then
Open it. So I'm stripping all the muscles that are causing your jaw to tense up. Close it.
Sketch.
Open it. Close it.
Let's see.
Open it.
10:45? Yeah, sure. Okay, so.
And then we're gonna do right here. This is part of your jaw right here.
You guys are good to
You
go.
open it.
All right, have a
Thanks.
good
Have a good day.
Hey, you're welcome.
Open it. Close it. Open it.
One, just give me a sec.
It's painful.
Yes, but like I'm so intrigued. Oh wow!
Okay. And then keep relaxing. Okay. Let's see.
That was insane.
Okay, just relax. Oh, there you
Yo! What the? Wait! What just cracked?
That was the hump.
Holy crap!
Holy
Good
crack.
Oh my
How
god!
was your
Wow, isn't that crazy?
Yes, it really was.
So that's gonna help lubricate your joints and open it up.
Okay.
Okay, so come on up.
Oh, wow.
Wow, we're doing a lot.
All right, so what's the update?
Yeah.
Went to the Good Feet store.
Okay.
Good feet.
It's, they do the
Let's see.
insole.
Oh, okay, cool.
So we're gonna use this guy right here.
Okay.
Okay, perfect. Whoa, we did a lot.
Yeah.
That's all the above today.
Okay, so that's the end of the visit.
Cool.
So, how was your experience today?
Amazing. Oh my god. My body doesn't even feel like my body, but I feel like, honestly, I feel a lot better.
That's awesome.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
So this guy's in healing mode right now. So he's about to be like way taller pretty soon.
Dude, yo, if you can get me to 5'9", let's go.
There's a lot of
That's a lot of growth. That's a lot of growth.
All right, man. Nice seeing ya.
Appreciate you. Thank you.
There you go.
Oh,
Whoa.
that felt good though.